Christy, who feeds seagulls? Like,
I have
tons
all
of
this-
bread.
I have all this bread left over from grilled cheese meal that my staff wanted to throw out.
We're giving birds grilled cheese bread? Oh, there they are.
Oh, look!
Look!
Come on! Get it started!
Come on.
Here they come. They all have now. They're starving.
Come get it. Are you skeptical? Eat this. All that bread, Seagies. We'll throw it all. Wait.
Of bread for them, and it's wheat bread too.
Ooh, it's wheat. They're gonna get sick.
Oh my God. Because they're the winter birds and they're not used to people.
That's what I'm thinking.
Let's just do that. Come on, guys. I swear. This is food.
Eat,
I bet they
dang
haven't eaten in days.
Eat, damn it.
Seriously, birds. Just thinking about it, just dive in.
Just freaking eat.
Look at
Come
that.
on. We're not playing around here.
Look at the ducks there. The ducks are going to get in on that.
They're just
They're
like
gonna be the
sitting
ones.
ducks.
They're going to be the adventurous ones.
Not the seagulls, they're for sure.
That's it.
Ew, soggy bread. Look at you just throwing the bread.
Come on, ducks. Be the leaders. Take the initiative. Come on, ducks.
Those seagulls are too scared. See, I wouldn't want it all soggy. Toss that bread.
Oh. Where's the other loaf?
In my car
All it takes is one of them to look down
and
eat
pick
some
out.
bread.
Then they'll all be there.
There.
Come on.
Get all this bread stuff.
You're just like, come on. Look at all the bread.
They're starting to eat
They'll
it.
be gluttonous if they eat all that.
The ducks.
Freaking ducks. Where is cold? They're cuter. Look at how cute. Come on. Stupid. Oh?
All of that, yeah. You guys,
Are they? Look how cute. That.
over here, and there's so much of it.
Yeah. They need it. They're hungry.
Where are they?
They're gonna be gluttons if they eat all this.
Look at them, all flocking. Little do they know that there's a ton of that stuff.
Yeah.
Let's just stand. See? Let's just stand back.
Come on, eat. Dang it.
They're a little skittish. Let's just stand back, and they're gonna start. They're gonna start coming in.
Nah, no way. They are a little skittish. Probably
Here,
my car.
put your hand in this, in the bag. It'll keep it warm, because that's what I was doing.
Oh, the sweat.
No, the bag is just
I know. I just need my mittens on. Let's go! Come on, duckies. Seagulls. Look at all this bread. It's bread galore. Look at this. You got Christy throwing all of it.
yeah, seriously.
Come on. You're getting warmer.
You can't throw it any farther.
Look at
There's that big fat goose down there.
Where's this goose? I don't see a goose. Oh my god, I'm so cold.
Before. Yeah, the ducks would just... I'm bored with the bread.
If it's gonna be soggy. Gross.
Let's scoop.
That